Today we are tackling a new Power Query challenge. The task is removing rows where duplicates of certain fields, invoice, posted and department, offset each other completely, resulting in a zero sum. First things first, we'll clean up some unneeded spaces in the first column. This can mess up grouping and comparisons, so trimming them right away ensures clean and accurate data. Just right-click the needed column and use Transform Trim function. Next, we'll define which rows to exclude. We are looking for invoices where the values in the invoice, posted and department fields completely cancel each other out. Grouping and summarizing the data will help us identify these cases. Go to the Home tab and click Group by. Group by invoice, posted and department. Create a new column to calculate the sum of the relevant values. Keep only the rows where the sum equals 0. These are the duplicates we'll exclude. To make the filtering process easier later, we'll drill down into the grouped data and extract a simple list of invoices to exclude. Select the invoice column from the filtered table and convert it into a list. Now it's time to apply the exclusion list to the original data. This ensures we are only keeping rows with invoices that don't offset. Create a new step and return to the trimmed data from step 1. Use the table select rows function to filter rows. To achieve this, we will use list contains function and filter rows based on whether they match or don't match the list. The first argument is our list of excluded values, exclude, and the second is our invoice column. Now we see all the rows we want to exclude. To reverse it, just add not before list contains, and you'll see the result. And that's it. We've cleaned the data, grouped and summarized it to find duplicates, extracted a list of invoices to exclude, and filtered the original table accordingly. Got questions or ideas for future challenges? Drop them in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more Excel and Power Query tips. See ya!